Are you looking for the best laser levels? In this video, we will look at some of the 4 best laser levels on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. RockSeed Cross-Line Laser. If you're looking for a high-quality laser level on a budget, the RockSeed laser level is the one. We were shocked to see that this laser level was under $30. Even if the price had been higher, the RockSeed laser level would have easily qualified for other categories on this list. In testing, its self-leveling green beam was exceptionally bright and maintained a crisp 1/16" line at 15 feet. This compact laser was highly accurate, with an ever-so-slight deviation of 1/32 inch at 15 feet, which was even better than the brand's claim. While this laser level doesn't come with any accessories, it does feature a soft hook and loop case with a belt mount. Number 2. CIGMAN Self-Leveling 3x360 degrees 3D Laser Level. Need to work on an entire room at one time? The CIGMAN 3x360 degrees self-leveling laser is up to the task. With 2 360-degree vertical beams and 1 360-degree horizontal beam, you can do everything with this highly capable laser. The CIGMAN laser level comes with several handy accessories like a pivoting magnetic wall mount, a green laser target that aids in seeing the laser beam in bright settings, and a mini tripod mount that doubles as a 1/4 inch to 5/8 inch adapter for mounting the laser level on a larger tripod mount. The mini tripod even features a precision adjustment for easily lining up the laser level. To ensure the CIGMAN's rechargeable battery lasts as long as possible, the 4 brightness options offer 6, 9, 15 and 30 hours of battery life. Best of all, this CIGMAN model is the only one on our list to include a remote control, which allows you to turn off one or more of the beams or change their brightness without having to touch the laser. The hard cloth case has a luxe molded foam insert with room for every accessory and offers superior protection to the laser level. Number 3. SKIL 360 degrees Self-Leveling Cross-Line Laser Level. While this list is focused on finding the best laser levels, an included tripod is nice too. Luckily, the SKIL 360 degrees self-leveling laser level meets both qualifications. With a highly accurate, incredibly bright beam that projects 360 degrees horizontally, this SKIL laser level is ideal for jobs like hanging cabinetry, laying tile, mounting electrical boxes and switches, installing lighting, and much more. The under $100 price tag is surprising with this one, especially when you consider its quality level, durability, included tripod, and 5-year warranty. Number 4. Bosch GLL 25-10 Cross-Line Laser Level. For those whose tool shed is more like a tool drawer, Bosch has a space-saving solution in the GLL 25-10. This little laser level may only be a 2.5-inch cube, but its performance is right up there with some of the heavier-duty models, with a red beam and accuracy of 1/16 inch at 15 feet. The Bosch laser level is notably simple, featuring a slider that doubles as a pendulum lock/unlock and on/off switch. It can be mounted to a standard tripod or used with its ultra-handy articulating clamp mount. While no case is included, the high-quality box would work well in most storage settings.